Day 6 of building websites for companies that could use the help. Today we're going to be talking about Recess Dallas. Despite them having a ton of good reviews, their website is a little cluttered and there's a ton of things we're going to do to fix it. It's time to lock in. Let's build this website. Cue the music. I'm not going to lie to you, this is probably some of my best work. Let me know what you think and follow for more content just like this.